Hello, this is Arjit Chaudhary from BMC Software. In this video series, we are going to look at how we can run a patch analysis for Solaris 11 servers and all the processes associated with it. There is a different process altogether for patch management of Solaris 11 servers and is performed using a pair of scripts package 10 provided in BSA. We are going to cover the entire process in 3 videos as it requires tasks to be performed both on application server and within BSA console. So the patch analysis process for Solaris 11 servers involves 3 major tasks: installing the script-based patching solution for Solaris 11, updating the Solaris 11 patch repository, performing a Solaris 11 patch analysis. Please note, as an alternative to performing patching analysis on Solaris 11 using the script-based patching solution, you can deploy IPS packages prepared using Solaris tools. In this video, we will look at installing the script-based patching solution in BSA. Before we proceed with the demonstration, we need to extract Solaris 11 patching solution zip, which comes along with the optional files on EPT. As a best practice, we need to extract the Solaris 11 solution zip under an SH directory on application server. Let's have a quick demonstration on how this feature actually works. I have already extracted BSA Solaris 11 patch solution 8902 under an SH directory. From the scripts directory, we are going to execute install.nsh. So I've already opened a command prompt for demonstration and will execute the install.nsh script along with required parameters. This should take about 10 seconds to complete. Once the script is completed successfully, we can see a subfolder named Solaris 11 patching solution is created in the depot folder. This folder contains a script subfolder with 2 NSH scripts, the Solaris 11 update repository script and the Solaris 11 patching script. In addition, an extended object named Solaris 11 analysis results is imported into the configuration object dictionary. This can be used later to view patch analysis results through live browse on a Solaris 11 server. Next video in the series will cover demonstration on how we need to update the Solaris 11 patch repository. Thanks for watching.